Bienvenidos, welcome. I'm Nido Foodie. Today I'm preparing Dutch oven roasted potatoes. Stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Basically I'm going to cut these into wedges. So that's about 4 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. Give them a little bit of a coating of olive oil. Now at our local grocery store we have this mesquite seasoning. They also have taco seasoning, and this one's home fry seasoning that they buy and put their name and label on it, so I'm sure your local markets probably have the equivalent to this. I'm going to use mesquite on this. You could use your favorite seasoning on it, taco seasoning, home fry seasoning, and if you don't have any of that, salt and pepper is great. I like this mesquite seasoning because of the paprika. Also gives a good color to the potatoes. And can't be out here without Union Pacific. And that's pretty much all the prep. So into the Dutch oven I'm going to add a half a cup of chicken broth. And you could use beef broth, vegetable broth, and if you don't have that, water will work. So with that, I'm going to put the lid on it, get the coals ready, and we'll get this on the fire. So I have 8 coals on the bottom, 16 on the top, looking for 400 degrees, 400 to 425 for about 50 minutes. So remember, if you're looking, you're not cooking, set it and forget it, walk away, and we'll see you back here in about 50 minutes. So it's been 50 minutes. Let's pop the top, see what it looks like. So you can serve these with chicken, barbecue, anything you're wanting to have. So that's how I do Dutch oven roasted potatoes with a chicken broth and mesquite seasoning. I'm showing you this today to not have to tell you again in future videos, because I'm going to reference this recipe in some videos down the road. So thanks for watching, thanks for your subscriptions. We'll talk to you later.